Hey guys, Kev here, and I have an unboxing due for you. I got a couple things here. I don't know what they all is. The first one's from Geeone.com. This is a fidget dealer. They send me stuff pretty much every month, and then that's about it. They send me stuff. I have a link that will be in the description. I have a discount code, LeftyEDC, that'll save you 10% off at Geeone.com. And if you're into fidgets, you know, save you some bucks. We got two. We have an ACEDC item, which is cool. And we have a NIEC item. I think we checked one of these out in the past. It says stainless steel primary. So I think that one's a haptic coin. It's been a minute since I've checked out a ACEDC item, so that's pretty cool. This, I don't know, man. I'm trying to remember the last thing from this company and if I liked it or not. Screwdriver and shit. So, okay. We have a thing, a big thing, a blob. Whoa, okay. Look at this thing, guys. Okay, is that like a tritium slot? It says Muyi. Okay, so this is a Muyi product, I guess. So this is like the piston, I guess, but like a mini version. Does this spin? No. It unscrews, though. Nothing fell out. Okay. I guess that's how you can get it in and out, though. I don't know. So you have one location to ride your thumb, right? But you can pop it like that as well. Okay. Not my favorite thing in the world. Let's see, what do we got? Screws, or screwdriver, a spring, a ball. So I guess there's a, yeah, there's got to be a resistance somewhere right under this button. And I suppose you can unscrew that button. That'll pop this off. Okay, that's just the switch. And then this should come out, and there you go. Oh God. So there's a spring and a ball, number 190 there. So this spring goes in here, obviously. Ball goes on top. I don't know what that plate was doing, though. It's just, oh, okay, that's what it's riding on. So does that slide in like that? And then this, you gotta kind of squeeze in. Should be fairly easy. And then this drops in on top. And then you screw this down. Yep, there you go. So I don't think this spring or ball is bigger or anything. Because the resistance is okay. It's a little weak sauce, but let's take a look actually. Let's see. Let's see what size that ball is. Same size. Spring. Yeah, I think it's just a replacement. It's not changing anything, unfortunately. I wouldn't mind if it was a little stiffer, so she said. Yeah, you can't get two balls in either. Now, I don't know. I had some extra parts for stuff. I might have a ball that size. It could be interesting, actually. Check this out. If we take this, because these are large, right? I have larger ones. I could put a Teflon ball in there, maybe. Are these too big? They're probably too big, right? Man, there's always like just a little too big. These are about right. That size is about right, but this I think is too big. I don't think that's gonna work. You never know. Got it in there. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it works. So it's a little, definitely a little stronger, but I'm not sure it's meant to work. Like the size is a little too big, I think. You know? At least we figured out it's very easy to do this. There goes that. Probably went right down my vent. Alright, I'm gonna put this back together and we're gonna move on. So you guys get the point. Definitely not my bag on this one. And I mean, I know they're sending this out for me to check out, so you know, but I really wish they would send me better materials. As stainless steel, I just don't, you know, just too heavy. It just does nothing for me, unfortunately. If it was Zerk, would I be more interested? Yeah, I would be. Would I ultimately like this thing if it was in Zerk? I don't think so. It's just not my style anyway. So, kind of, they probably made the right choice. All right, let's put this away. We'll leave that out for now. Here's the ACEDC. This is a, oh, pay. Ooh, this could be good. This could be good. It's a milk cap in pay. Oh, damn. Is this mechanical? Ooh, it does feel good, though. I thought it... Why is everything mechanical these days? Give me magnets, damn it. Yeah, it's mechanical. They're always too soft. Yeah, they're always way too soft. I mean, this is nice, but... It's always, like, really hard to get the resistance the way I want it. Because, like we saw in this, once you go too strong, then it's, like, uncomfortable. And there's, like, not a good, perfect spot. Where with magnets, I feel like I can achieve that better. Man, this is nice, though. Wow. It's just different, Kev. I just need to accept that it's different. It's not meant to be crazy strong. Now, how would I adjust it? Oh. Okay. Okay. So there's 3 spots and 3 springs. Okay. And then we have a bearing, obviously. And there is a magnet. That's what holds it together. So here's the balls. We're back to this. I don't have balls that size, so I'm not even going to try. But let's see. Okay, these are just replacements. So can you add a 4th one? 1, 2, 3. No. You can only do the 3. Damn. So what you have to do is find a way. This is so hard. Find a way to get all 3 to stay in place while damn it, you try to put the cap on. It's like really it's like a game in itself, trying to get these things back together. See how they just all want to come out? It's like, how are you supposed to do it? I'm trying to think if there's a better way. Let's just see. So I can lay that down. Oh. Okay, so it needs to push against that. So see how that one wants to stay. I guess it is a little easier to do it that way. So these two are kind of like on top. God, this is hard. Okay. Am I like dumb? I don't know another way to do it well. They're just so hard to keep in there. I gotta push that one. Drop that one. And then this one. Now I gotta play like golf with this one. Just go in there, dude. Okay, got it. No, come on, dude. Okay. Calmly, calmly. Lean this way. Oh, come on, dude. All right, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. How have you not just dropped in, dude? Oh, come on, you were right there. Yes. Come on, dude. Just squeeze yourself in. All right. I'm never doing that again. Yeah, that's annoying. And I wish there was a way to make it stronger, but there isn't. So, but I will say they've got it pretty I mean, it's not like perfect in the sense that like I want more snap, but it is fun the way it is to just do this. Not everything has to be an NJT snap, 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 snap coin, you know what I mean? But yeah, this is fantastic the way it is. Just don't mess with it, you know? So this is the mechanical milk lid in pay, limited quantity of 60. And these are on Geeone.com right now, I assume. If you guys are interested in this wild thing. I'm going to tell you what it's called real quick because I have the note from the person who sends them to me. So we have the Bomber. This is called the Bomber. If you want to go over to Geeone, you can search Bomber for this. And then the mechanical milk lid. Milk cap, sorry. Oh, wow. If you really slow it down, you get some nice clicks. Wow, that is good, actually. I'm falling in love with that one. Size comparisons for you. What do you guys know? Here's my little Amazon unboxing knife. Here's a Vero Engineering Synapse. Here's a Okluma DC0 flashlight. Maybe you have a Divo growler. There's a growler. Just so you have some kind of reference point, I guess. I don't know. Let me know if you guys have any questions. You can always leave comments and I'll answer down there. But yeah, I dig this quite a bit actually. So this not so much, but this is awesome. So I'm gonna highly recommend this one. It can't be too expensive in pay, right? I mean, $100 tops, hopefully. But you can use the code LeftyEDC and let me know what you guys think. I love you guys. I hope you have an absolutely fantastic day, and I'll catch you later. Peace.